Okay, part 2 on the Power Kracker 2014, and this is 2016. I know, it's overdue. I've been trying to do this whole review. What the fuck? Did it just glitch out? Wait, what? Wait, what? It's not moving. What the fuck? Oh no. Okay, there it goes. I was about to say, uh-oh, I think the game system wants to fuck up. Okay, let me turn down the volume real quick, and there we go. Mario Brothers. The quote from John Jafari, aka JonTron. I have several questions, Mr. Mary. Mr. Mary, okay, Mary, Mary's a girl name, not a man's name? That's like Miriam. Miriam's a girl name, but, what? Have you ever seen the movie Holes, and Mr. Sir's real name is Miriam Savio? Miriam, I didn't know that's a man's name. It ain't. Whoa! Just no, man, no. Ah, fuck. Oh, the memories is flooding. Since I didn't have an NES, this is all I can afford. And I got this for Christmas. So, it was either this or nothing at all. And I want to thank my neighbor for making me buy the NES. Took me a couple years to get my collection. And I think I just incriminated myself because I own this stupid system. Oh boy. FBI's gonna be knocking at my frickin' door. Dear Ra, help me. Get up there, mother... Get your arse up there. Fuck. Get your... Oh no, not this piece of clusterfuck. There you go. Right. Get up there. 2, 1, 0. No! Why? For that, fuck it. I'm done. Ugh. 1 lousy second. Ah! What the fuck? I hate this shit. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Yes, it's Pac-Man. You all know this. Next. Road Fighter. I got that for the Famicom. Yes. The Konami Road Fighter. I don't know what the... All-Stars. Yep. This is Road Fighter for the Famicom. Yeah, and it costed me only... $8? Yeah, $8 at a vintage stock here in the city, Oklahoma City. I found this in one of the casings. Well, in the glass case, and this is Road Fighter, and this is all Japanese, Nihongo, Famicom, System Computer, Super Family Computer. Okay? Yes, and I'm bad at Japanese, my bad. Anyways. Road Fighter Island. Ah, I thought it was Adventure Island. Shit. Oh, Twinbee. Haven't played that in 1,000 years. Yeah, I know I'm not talking. I'm trying to stay sane as much as I can, ladies and gentlemen. My bad. And dead. That's it. Nope. No, not again. Okay. Because it glitched up and it froze. That's how crappy this thing is built. Circus Charlie. Dead. Okay, done with that. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I guess it's to test the controllers, I guess. Hey, Toy Story. Hey, to infinity and beyond, motherfucker. What? Damn it. I hate this. See, this is what I'm talking about. Repeats. 3,000 different names. Ooh. Just fuck you. Just fuck you, okay? Hey, burger time. And it's sloppy writing. No. What? What? How did it happen? What happened? Get your butt up there. Fuck no. No. I hate burger time. What the fuck? Not it. Keeps fucking spazzing out. Fuck you. No. I hate. Dr. Mario. And there's no title. But if you have the updated version, then it's going to be called Space Hospital. No. Oh, whoops. My bad. No! Ooh! This reminds me of Yoshi for the NES. Just the music and everything. Okay, I'm done with that. And I'm past my 10-minute mark. Part 3, ladies and gentlemen. Be right back.